Are you trying to make money online and do you have tunnel vision? We've talked about this before and we're gonna have to talk about it again. Do you have tunnel vision? Are you stuck staring at one opportunity and one platform alone? I talked about this in another video. Go back and watch them. You're going to see this account change, or I am going to start a faceless one or one with my face, and I'm going to show you the differences between this account and another one for making money online. This one is for me to share the information with you that you need to know so that you can weed out what is right information, what is wrong information, and you can do what is best for you. So I'm going to show you a screenshot. This is the account that I have now, and this is some of the views that I've got over the last little while. There are 2 videos that I have circled the views on. Go and check them out. One of them has like 10, 12 views, and the other one has over 600. And both of them, I accidentally, when I was trying to post very late at night so I could at least be consistent and post that day, I had forgot to put some words on the screen as a title or intro, whatever you want to refer to it as, and I didn't put it up. And I had 2 very different results from those videos. And when I tried the trending sounds or any other things, I'm going to do one of those today and you can go back, I'll show you that again. It's the Shark Tank one that everyone's doing now. So when you break consistency to add in a trending sound, to do something to hop on this viral trend, you risk getting nowhere with it, and you either upset the consistency that you do have. So when I am consistent in my own way, I consistently get between 200 and 300 views or more. And that is perfectly fine for me. A lot of people are freaking out that they're in 200 and 300 view jail. As your account grows, you will start to connect with more people who are interested in what you are sharing. And that will increase your views, your engagement, and your followers. If you have a viral video, that is great. If you hop on a trend and something gives you some viral video and it boosts your account, you get all kinds of followers overnight, that's fine. But bear in mind, they're following you for one video. And a lot of times that's not going to convert into people who are going to watch more of your videos. Sometimes they're going to unfollow later on. It may not build up to what you're hoping it's going to do. You may need repeated viral videos in order for that to go anywhere. Sometimes your best audience and the best place for you to put your business isn't where you think it is. So while everyone is hyper-focused right now on TikTok, and TikTok has been a big thing for a while, there are more people making more money on more platforms than you realize. And if you hyper-focus and you get tunnel vision, you are going to spend all your time, all your effort, and all your energy trying to go viral on TikTok, trying to make your account grow. And maybe this isn't where your best audience is. Maybe this isn't where you're going to make the most money. So I promote Legendary Marketer. Click or copy and paste the link. Take the 15-day challenge. I took the business blueprints because if you're going to build a house or a business, you need some blueprints or it's probably not going to go the way that you hoped it will. But there are many people, because they have weekly interviews with people that take these courses and these trainings. So it's an education platform. It's not all affiliate marketing, but they have weekly interviews. And some of the most successful people that are promoting Legendary Marketer, one, for example, that I know of, she promotes on Instagram. And that is where she has made most of her money. She does have a decent following on TikTok, but that is not where she's made most of her money. That is not where she got all of her growth and became successful. It was on Instagram. That is still where she promotes Legendary Marketer, but she has also now created her own Make Money Online course. And I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm not going to sell anybody out on here. I don't want to refer you to someone else. I want to refer you to where she learned all of her information so that you could maybe be as successful as she was. But she's created her own course, just like, again, I always talk about it, the Roadmap 2.0, but now there's 3.0. And I have tons of emails in my inbox from other people that have created other courses, and they have probably taken the same kind of training too. So this platform, Legendary Marketer, it teaches you how to promote on multiple platforms, how to find your best audience, and you need to go out and do that. So if you tunnel vision into one platform, sometimes you don't find the success you're looking for, and then you give up, and you actually might have ended up being very successful on another platform. So while Instagram is not as big right now as TikTok, same with YouTube, I get a lot of my very good clients from my service-based business, not this one, off of YouTube. And I have very few followers on that account, on my YouTube account. but it does the best for my business. So don't rule out other platforms. Don't rule out the minimal followers that you do have, and don't start following everyone that's doing the exact same thing as you unless you find their content engaging. It's giving you ideas, because what you're doing, if you're trying to, and I'm going to use the make money online niche, if you are following everyone else who's doing the make money online thing and you are supporting each other, and that is great. I follow some people on here. They are great. I like their accounts. I like their ideas, and I'm happy to be following them and engaging with them and supporting them. I do not want absolutely all of my followers to be people that are trying to promote ways to make money online, because that is not my target audience. I want people who are looking for ways to make money online, and I might find these people here. I might find them elsewhere. So you will see Legendary Marketer linked in my link tree. There is also a link to the YouTube that I have, and I have very few subscribers over there too. But again, that is not a big concern for me. And I also post this account on Instagram as well. So if you're only posting in one place, if you're only tunnel visioning into one platform, you could be selling yourself short, and you could be facing failure instead of success if you were to branch out and try other areas. So don't tunnel vision. Start thinking outside the box and start sharing your information on other platforms too.